Hello, you guys. Good morning. We're ready for the class, the topic of the day, and today we're going to be learning about fractions of a number. We've learned how to make a fraction on a whole, but today we're going to figure out how to make a fraction out of a number. So let's say you are supposed to find 1/2 of the number 6. How would you do it? Okay, let's think about this number first. I will just make 6 drawings of 6 objects, whatever you want to do. I'm going to make 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have my 6 represented as six circles. And then this shows me the number of groups or equal shares that I'm going to break this number into. So to make 2 equal groups, I will have to cut these 6 into 3 in one group and 3 in another group. So it shows 6, the total number, and I cut it into 2. And then they're telling me that I'm going to take only one part of it. So I will be taking 1, 2, and 3, right? So my answer here, it will be 1/2 of 6 equals to 3, because you're taking the whole part. And this whole part inside has 3. Here is our second exercise. So it says you have to find 1/3 of 9. So as I said, the first thing I'm going to represent is my 9, and I'm going to represent it as well with circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have my 9 objects. Whatever you want to draw is fine. And then this number is going to show me the number of groups. How many groups do I have to make out of this? So I have to make 3 groups. One way to do it and to know how many goes into each group will be to divide this number by this number. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. By now you already know your math facts, and this should be really easy for you. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So that means I have to put 3 in each group. So I have 1 group, 2 groups, and 3 groups. And then I'm going to do my bar. Okay. And then I'm going to take how many parts? 1 part. So I'm taking this whole part. And inside of that part, I have 3 objects. So I can say that 1/3 of 9 equals 3. That would be my answer. Let's have a look at this third exercise. And the same way we did the last time, we take this number and we're going to represent it into 8 objects, right? So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. And they are telling me to make 8 groups. Remember the little trick that I taught you? The way you do it is you divide A divided by 8. A divided by 8 equals 1, right? So you know you need 8 groups of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I just make my little box. Okay? And now that you represented your 8 objects cut into 8 different equal groups, now you're going to take, how many are they telling you to take? So you're taking 1, you're taking 2, and you're taking 3. So your answer here is 3/8 of 8 equals 1, 2, 3. 3. That will be your answer. Okay, and this is the last exercise I'm going to make for you, and hopefully you'll be ready to get started with the work of today. So we have 3 6 of 6. What do I do first? I represent my number. How many objects am I going to draw? 6. So I'm going to make 6 hearts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 hearts that represents my number 6, and they want me to make 6 equal groups. So I do on the side, of course this is pretty easy, 6. Oh my goodness, my marker is not working. 6 divided by 6, because 6 divided by 6 equals 1. So in each group you will have only 1 heart. Correct? So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to close my box. I like to do it with my little box. Okay? And now how many am I going to take? This number is going to show me how many do I take. I take 1, 2, and 3. So I'm taking 1, 2, and 3. And since in each box I only have 1 element or 1 object, I will have 1, 2, and 3. So 3 6 of 6 equals 3. That would be my answer.